about composing and decomposing numbers. And when we compose and decompose numbers, the first thing we need to understand is the term digits. A digit is any number 0 through 9, and we use them to make up larger numbers. For example, 245 is a 3-digit number, and 81 is a 2-digit number. And today we're going to talk about 2-digit numbers. And when we have 2-digit numbers, we have tens and we have ones. And depending on where I place the digit, the value of the digit is going to change. And that's where we get the term place value, because depending on where I place this digit, the value of this digit will change. If I place it in the ones column, the value of 2 ones is 2. But if I take this digit and I place it in the tens column, the value of 2 tens looks like this, and it's 20. 10, 20, much different than 2 ones. Now, when we compose numbers, we start with our tens and our ones, and we ask ourselves, what number is composed of these tens and these ones? So I can look and I can ask myself, well, how many tens do I have? I have 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. How many ones do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. And I can see that 3 tens, 5 ones is 35. 35 is composed or made up of 3 tens and 5 ones. When we decompose numbers, we go the other way. We start with the number in numeral form, and we ask ourselves, well, how do I break this number apart into tens and ones? So I look at the first digit in this number is my tens place. So how many tens do I have? I have 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The value of that is 50. So I have 5 tens. And then how many ones do I have? I look at the second digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I decomposed, or I broke apart 57 into tens and ones. Now, even if we don't have these manipulatives, we can practice this at home. And we teach students that even though this is what a 10 looks like, it's got 10 little ones, that's not actually how we draw or represent a 10 stick, because that would take a really long time. So we teach them that they can actually just represent a 10 by drawing a straight line. So let's say I'm trying to represent 36. I've got 3 tens, 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. I'm at 6 ones. And we draw ones just like a little box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can go both ways, even without the materials. When we're composing a number, we're starting with the drawing of tens and ones. And I ask myself, what number is composed of these tens? 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. That's my first digit. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So 45 is composed of 4 tens and 5 ones. And you can go the other way as well. If we're asked to decompose 45, we break it apart into tens and ones. Again, we can do this without our manipulatives. We can say we've got 4 tens. So I draw my 10 sticks. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. I broke apart 45 into tens and ones. So that's how you compose and decompose numbers, 2-digit numbers, into tens and ones.